The Google Pixel 4 XL completely changed my mind about Android. Here's why. So I've been using the Pixel 4 XL for a couple of weeks, and here's what I have to say. I'm going to start off by talking about Motion Sense. What is Motion Sense? Motion Sense is Google's way of using radar technology on the new Pixel phones. This helps the Pixel 4 XL be the fastest phone to unlock using facial recognition. But wait, there's more. It also knows whenever I'm close to the phone, so there's been times when I have to check the time and my hands are full. All I do is walk close to the phone, it knows I'm there, and it just turns on the ambient display so I can check the time and my notifications. It's like magic. Also, whenever I'm getting a call and I go to pick up the phone, it turns the volume down and it's so peaceful. This also works with alarm clocks and timers. I can also skip or go back a track by waving my hand over the phone. Surprisingly, this feature works pretty well. I just use it to show off to my friends sometimes. So the main reason why I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max is because of its amazing camera. Only if there was an Android phone that could take photos just as good as the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Well, there is the Google Pixel 4 XL and a couple of other Android phones. Now, for the people who've already been using the Pixel line know this, but I found out after using the Pixel 4 XL that yes, Android phones do actually take great looking photos. Yeah, there are phones with 3 cameras, 4 cameras, 5 cameras, but the Pixel still takes really good looking photos that's like already ready to be posted on Instagram. Oh my goodness. Wow. They are stacked. Oh, this is crazy. Check this out, guys. Look at these. What is this? It's like a light up mask. But yeah, it's thanks to its 12.2 megapixel wide angle camera and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. Okay, I know this has a pretty big forehead, but that 90 Hz display with no ugly notch definitely makes up for it. The Pixel 4 XL has a 6.3-inch display with a 81.3% screen to body ratio. The screen has a resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels with a 19 by 9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 537 ppi. That is more than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Before I started using the Pixel 4 XL, the iPhone 11 Pro Max was my daily driver, and that phone has a 60 Hz display while the Pixel 4 XL has a 90 Hz display. You might not be able to tell the difference on the screen, but yeah, it's kind of a big deal. I'm spoiled by the 90 Hz display. Because of the display, a Snapdragon 855 and 6 GB of RAM, using the Android OS has never been so fun. Or so smooth, buttery smooth like you're skating on a smooth surface of ice. This is pretty much pure Android, so updates are going to be on point. You'll always be the first one to get it, which is always going to help you have a consistent performance experience. So far, I haven't come across any hiccups on this phone. It runs very smooth. Unlike my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, that phone would lag from time to time. On other smartphones where you'd have to hold a certain button to activate voice assistant, on the Pixel all you have to do is squeeze the phone. One time I was in a hurry, I needed a flashlight. My left hand was full and my right hand, I had the phone in my hand. I squeezed the phone and I was like, okay Google, no, I didn't say okay Google, I just said turn on the flashlight, and it just did it instantly. It was so awesome. Thanks to all these amazing cool features on the Google Pixel 4 XL, my experience using Android OS has been the best.